Yeah.
I could drive as well as CJ, man, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Hey, homie, what's up? Get out my face. Where we going, homie?
Rolling Heights, Ballers Country.
Do us a little drive-by, huh?
What
Know
wonderful
something out
drive.
there? You are chauffeur for this
CJ,
little
I
kid.
warned you.
Come on.
G. Thanks, G.
Just don't drive like no fool.
Nice parking, dude. Carl, don't run out on me again.
Get ready for an ambush! Can I borrow your car, sir?
This is CSO. 103.
There she go. Hey, now why did that here on crystal meth? Ah! Ah!
Yo, my dog. I could drive as well as CJ, man, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Hey, homie, what's up?
Hey, what you saying?
Where we going, homie?
Rolling Heights, Ballers Country.
Do us a little drive-by, huh? You know something, matter of fact, you are chauffeur for this little gig. Come on.
G. Thanks, G.
Just don't drive like no fool.
Yeah, Ballers Turf. You dogs ready?
Yeah, for sure. I'm ready.
Carl, just concentrate on the driving, and we'll take care of the shooting.
Listen to the man, fool, and try not to park us up a tree or something.
Yeah, if the car stops, we dead meat. Speed up a little bit.
Man, they trying to get us popped.
Let's roll. That was way too easy. Let's go blast on some more baller things. Move it, CJ.
Look where you going!
Speed up a little bit.
What you waiting for, CJ? Find us some more ballers so we can cap them.
Stab out of here, CJ. Smash on it, Carl. Smash.
Man, what I tell y'all? Told you he was a buster.
Freeze! You want me to stop, huh?
Time for a real baseline here on CSR, Contemporary Soul Radio. Something I ain't heard too often, girl. So don't even try it. In vogue. If you're never gonna get it.
I remember how it used to be. You never was this nice, you cared for me. Now you're talking like you never changed.
Idiot!
The more you talk, the more things sound the same. What makes you think you can't just walk back into her? That a good friend. I just sit back and watch
Yeah, Grove is back, man. Grove is back.
Yeah, for sure. They was slipping, man.
Man, I'm shocked you ain't get us killed, CJ. Let me check myself. Am I dead?
Hey, Carl, ignore that motherfucker. You did good today.
Had your chance to make a change. Now you promise me the moon and stars.
Man, you gotta ease up some.
Say you're right, you won't get very far. Gave you many chances to make change. The only thing you changed was love to hate. It doesn't matter what you do or what you say. She doesn't love you.
You're down with the Grove and the ball is nowhere. So watch yourself from now on, CJ.
Yeah, for sure. You know that. I'll see y'all later.
Here, take this. Go get yourself some beers.